All right, Major Faim here, back with another product review, sound preview. We are continuing the Scratchy Seal Giant Robo series. I think we've done the top shoulders so far. So this is Super Seal Giant Robo 5. Huh. Well, that's kind of strange because that's on a 10-inch. Super Seal Giant Robo 5. But they're two completely different records. I know they are. So, yeah. Huh. Weird. That's how these are also. Now that I look, like them other ones was like Sacco and Super Baby Seal 3. They were actually, they were actually something else. But the bonus was it was a puzzle piece. So I don't know. Maybe I got some janky records here. Anyways, I guess we'll do right middle puzzle piece, which in turn would be basically, we'll call it the left arm. It's got some cool artwork there. But we are here to listen. And this 10-inch vinyl comes with like a basically lime green, but almost a tie-dye. It's got some dark green in there. If you guys have ever or haven't ever watched how they actually make these, check it out sometime. There's some cool videos. It's actually pretty cool watching them make the vinyl records. Oh, I also got my crates today. I got some more crates, so I'm gonna have to do some rearranging with my vinyl. I ordered some white crates probably 6 months ago due to the damn COVID. Shit got all messed up, but yeah, let's get into it.
Oh yeah, word. 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 Bam, goddamn. Bam, goddamn. Bam, goddamn. Bam, goddamn. Bam, goddamn. Stop. We can rock non-stop, don't 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 stop. We can rock non-stop, don't. Ooh wee, 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 ooh wee. Yo, go ooh ah chikad, hey yo, go ooh ah chikad, hey yo, go ooh ah chikad, hey yo, go ooh ah chikad, hey. Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh, hit you with the shit, oh shit, oh, hit you with the shit, oh shit, oh, hit you with the shit, oh shit, oh, hit you. Raw, I got you round the pieces like I'ma get raw. I got you round the pieces like I'ma get raw. I got you round the pieces like I'ma get raw. I got you round the pieces like. Give a them on, you know that's true. Then don't give a them on, you know that's true. Then don't give a them on, you know that's true. Then don't give a them on, you know that's. On, you know that's. Whatever I see, I attack. That's true. No, that's. Whatever I see, I attack.
Yet another locked groove. Let's check out the other side. Honey, shut your mouth. I'm recording. Thank you. Break beats, I'm assuming.
I listen.
Damn. This fucker's hard. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, drop it. Drop it. Drop it, drop it. Drop it low. Alright, that's enough messing around. Got a bonus at the end there. On the locked groove there. So, that is it. Once again, Giant Robo 5. Left arm. Middle right side puzzle piece. DJ Qbert. Hopefully that'll help you guys determine whether that's something you would want to purchase or not. Major Faim, over and out.